Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our last video tutorial, we have seen some basics of Python dictionaries, and in this video tutorial, what we are going to say is kind of advanced concepts, not too much complex, I would say, but yes, but whenever there are some kind of real-time requirements where you have to deal with nested dictionaries, or you can call it as multi-dimensional dictionary. So this video is gonna talk about how we can deal with multi-dimensional dictionaries in actual scenarios. Okay, so let's take a scenario where we wanted to create the dictionary of, let's say, with the person details, right? Let's say person 1 is equal to, this is again a dictionary that name is, let's say, Steve, and the second age, second key is, let's say, age, and let's say age is 30. Now let's create one more person 2 with name as, let's say, Anna, and age as, let's say, 27. Right now, what we want to do is we wanted to use these dictionaries, right? Like, for example, person 1 is a dictionary in itself, person 2 is you know one of the examples of dictionaries in itself. What I want to do is I wanted to use these two objects, right, person 1 and person 2, as a part of some other dictionary. Like, for example, let's say we wanted to maintain a dictionary of employees, right? So employee is equal to, I wanted to treat this entire person 1 object as one of the values of my dictionary. So I wanted to make it like, let's say, employee 1 as person 1, and employee 2, which is nothing but a key, as person 2. Okay, so this is what is nothing but the definition of multi-dimensional dictionary. So basically, when we identify this particular dictionary, it is this one is a key, and the value of this one as a key is person 1, which is dictionary in itself, right? So if we go through this employee with value is equal to 1, so it is gonna return us two values, one is name and another one is age. And same thing will happen for even the employee id. Let's say this key is nothing but an employee id, right? For employee id, 2 is equal to person 2, which is nothing but it has two sub values. That's what we can remember, that it has the first value as name and the second value as integer. Okay, now let's try to print the employee dictionary, and let's see what output we get. Okay, so as you can see, this is the key, and the value of this particular key is a dictionary. Then this is the second key, and the value of this key is again a dictionary. So now what if we wanted to access some specific values? Let's say we wanted to access name of the first employee. So I wanted to write a Python statement which will just provide me the output as Steve. Now when we say Steve, it's an object within the person 1, and when we say employee, it is a part of 1 as a key, or it is a value corresponding to the key is equal to 1, right? So how we will write it? Like, let's say print statement employee 1 dot get key, which is nothing but your name. So this is the key which we wanted to get. So if you just run this, then it is going to give me Steve as a key. On the same lines, let's say if we say I want the age of the employee, then it will print the age of employee. On the same lines, we can do the same thing for employee 2. This is the employee 2, and if we run this now, then it is gonna help us to identify the independent values of a key. So this is the concept which is being known as multi-dimensional dictionary. So basically this particular dictionary, uh, the name of that dictionary, which is multi-dimensional, is employee, and it has two dimensions. Like this is one dictionary, and within dictionary we are using this values as a dictionary itself. Okay, so I hope you understood this multi-dimensional dictionaries in Python, and you will be able to use it in some of your real-time scenarios for whatever you are writing the Python programs. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.